my first makeup video, so I'm using the Freeman clay mask on my face. I had just waxed my chin, and so I like to put on a mask after waxing my upper lip and my chin, getting rid of those unwanted hairs. And I'm just gonna spread this all over my face and rub it in. It has a nice cooling effect to it. Um, and you want to make sure you get it all over your face, but not in your eyes, right? You don't want your eyes burning, so all over your face, just like that. Then you gotta wait 10 minutes, and I couldn't figure out how to get the camera where I wanted it to, so washing it off 10 minutes later, I just knelt on the bathroom floor to get it off. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So next I'm going to take the face wash from Trader Joe's. Y'all, this is only like $3 or $4, and it is like a perfect face wash for my skin. I don't use anything else anymore. I love it. I'm going to rinse that off. Ooh, that feels great. Yes, go get y'all some of that face wash. Just wipe my face off. And now I'm going to use the Quinn's Witch Hazel. I actually get this from Marshall's. I think it's like $7. And I just use my hands and wipe it all over my face. It feels really great. And it's just a really nice witch hazel on your face. Then I'm going to use the Vitamin C by Province Beauty. It's also from Marshall's as well. And this smells just like oranges, y'all. It's very, very good. So you want to make sure you just wipe it all over. It doesn't burn or anything, but it does feel really good on your face. And that's all I do on my face. Alright, now we're going to get into this makeup. Now that we have a fresh, clean face. Can y'all tell I'm feeling myself a little bit? I'm going to take the primer by e.l.f. It's the Luminous Matte Makeup Primer. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to rub it all over my face. It's a good primer, I think. I have oily skin, so I don't always wear primer, but occasionally I will. I'm going to just go in with a brow pencil from, I think it's either from the Beauty Supply or from Walgreens. It's just one of those $1 brow pencils, and I like using a dark brown that has a little bit of a dark reddish tint in it. It's a warm brown versus like a grayish brown. The warm brown just looks really good against dark skin, and it blends in really well. And so after brushing my eyebrows out, I just trace out the frame of my eyebrows. And y'all, I'm not a brow expert, but I add a little bit more line because my eyebrows are kind of scarce in the middle, so I add a little bit more line in the middle there and just trace them out. And then you want to fill in the ends of your eyebrows. Now you might be wondering what am I going to do about the middle there? Y'all will see in a minute. I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Listen, I just got on this because they discontinued my favorite concealer from ColourPop. I haven't been able to find it. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to try out this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And it's actually really nice. I believe I have it in the color Fawn, which is like the equivalent to the ColourPop one that would have been perfect for my skin. So I like the little brush on the end of this because it's very easy to trace out your eyebrows with it. And when I squirt it out, I just put it up under my eyes because you don't want to have too much concealer on your eyebrows. You'll be looking crazy, and then you get concealer all over the hairs of your brows, and it just messes up your brows altogether. So you just want to trace that out. and then put a little bit in the middle, you know. Come through, Lion King vibes all day. All right, I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm just gonna blend all this out. Um, I'm gonna do it real quick for y'all, but you know, it's nothing to it. You just dab it all over your face, blend it out, real good. And then, you know, some people like to go in with like a thinner brush, but for me, I just blended it all out. Now, this foundation I'm using is ColourPop. Y'all, I am such a big ColourPop fan. Um, this is the ColourPop stick foundation. I also have the liquid foundation, and I love both, honestly. I found ColourPop to be a great color match for my skin, and I've also found it to be great on oily skin as well. And so I'm gonna blend that in, and y'all gonna see this all gonna come together, okay? I'm not gonna be looking like the ghost from Christmas past. It's all gonna come together. So you're just gonna blend that everywhere. Now on your forehead, you wanna use less makeup because you don't want to look like cake face. And then you have to blend your makeup all the way into your hairline. Now I'm gonna go in with this brow brush, and y'all remember how I was saying about fixing the middle. You just go in with your brow brush and you brush that out. Alright, now it's eyeshadow time. Again, ColourPop. And y'all know this video is not sponsored. It's not. I just love ColourPop. Absolutely. It's affordable and it's also really quality makeup. Alright, I'm going to go in with this darker brown color and I'm just going to blend it out on my crease there. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with a lighter brown color from a different palette, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my lid. And y'all see these pigments? Like, I didn't use eyeshadow primer, you know, I just used whatever was left from that concealer. And these pigments are like bomb. And y'all know I'm dark skinned, so the fact that you can see these colors means that it's some good makeup. Okay? I'm going to take that same palette and I'm going to use this reddish color in the corner there, and I'm going to do that on the corner of my lid and kind of blend it out. Y'all know that I have to hold my eye down. I don't know if anybody else does that, but I have to hold my eye down because otherwise I'll be blinking like crazy, but holding it down keeps it together. Alright, y'all. So now I'm going to go in with a little sparkle. I'm going to use my other palette by ColourPop. It's like the nude palette. And I'm going to go in with this darker bronzy gold color. And I'm going to put that on the inside of my lids. Okay? And I'm not going to spread it all the way out. Just kind of almost halfway. Ooh, it's looking so good. Oh my gosh, I love natural looks. Like, I would do natural all day, every day. I'm going to go in with this gold, and I'm going to put that in the corner of my eyes and kind of bring it down to up underneath my eye as well, along the line underneath your eye. Alright, so now we're pretty much done with that. We're going to go in with this Lucilia eyeliner. And this is magnetic eyeliner because, y'all, I am so bad at lashes. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to go in with magnetic lashes after this. But this was the hardest part for me to do on camera. You guys know this is my first video, and I literally have a hard time with eyeliner, so y'all are gonna see I'm gonna mess up and have to wipe some off, but that's okay. Listen, this is the first video and progress is everything. Oh my gosh, yeah, I had to wipe that off. So now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline mascara. Okay, and you always want to put mascara on your actual lashes before you put on false lashes. And these Luxelia lashes are bomb. They're on Amazon, and y'all will see once I start putting it on. Um, but first, I'm going to let that dry, and I'm going to put the powder all over my face. This is just Makeup Revolution powder. It's pretty cheap. You can get it from Ulta for like $6, I think. I tried to show y'all, but the name of it rubbed off. But yeah, that's just the Makeup Revolution powder. And I'm really messy with powder. I'm actually getting more used to using powder. So I don't put a ton on my face. I don't be baking and stuff and all that. I just put the powder on my face to seal everything in. Um, so now I'm going in with these magnetic lashes. Y'all, I couldn't even do the whole thing on camera because it was just a disaster. I really have to concentrate and look in the mirror, and trying to look in camera was a mess. And don't worry about this powder. I'm going to kind of blend this all in. Woo! Y'all see them lashes? Hey! These Luxelia lashes are bomb from Amazon. Okay, you get 5 pair for like $25 or something like that. They're bomb. These magnetic lashes. Lip time. Okay, another beauty supply eye and lip pencil. Okay, it's kind of a reddish burgundy color, and I just like to outline my lips. Y'all, lip pencils with a little gloss is just really everything when you don't want to go for a super pigmented lip. And usually when I'm doing natural looks, I like my lips to also kind of have a natural color to them as well. Occasionally I'll do like a red or a purple, but this burgundy lip liner is everything. So you just want to outline your lips, and go all the way around, make it a little bit thick, because once you put that gloss in there, y'all will see what I'm talking about in a minute. So I'm going to just outline that all the way around. Alright, I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. I don't remember what color this is. I want to say Praline or something like that. But yeah, I'm going to put this on and put it all over my lips, and then when you rub it in, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at those lips. They look so good. And this gloss is so soft and buttery and silky. It's just bomb. Now I'm going to go back in with that ColourPop palette, and I'm going to use a dark eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put that up against my cheekbones for a little definition. Listen, you don't even have to use all these different blushes and contours. Y'all can use eyeshadow for everything. I'm going to also use it as a highlight. This ColourPop palette, y'all, you can get everything out of it. Alright, so I used it as highlight and contour and eyeshadow. Save your coin. Alright, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones a little bit and my nose. Oh, and we done. Hey, what did y'all think about my first video? Come on, leave me a comment. Wait, oh, edges. Y'all know a makeup video is not complete without the edges being laid. Little got to be. Slicking the hair down. And we're done, officially. Now, what did y'all think about my first video? Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later.